Hello, this is Josh Ezel with Rick Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic week. This weekend, we are holding a special free home mega open house event. We've got 3 incredible homes in 3 different parts of the valley for you to come by and take a look at. The first home is 6820 West McKnight Loop in Glendale. It's right off of 67th Avenue between Bell Road and Union Hills. This is a gorgeous 1-story, 2,500 square foot, 3-bedroom, 3-bath home with a casita that has a diving pool, a putting green, a sport court, RV parking, circular drive, completely remodeled. I mean, this home is gorgeous, right? 6820 West McKnight Loop. The next home is 9762 West Yukon. This is a beautiful 2,045 square foot, 2-story home, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths in the Park Ridge community. Now, the Park Ridge community is located right off 91st Avenue and Beardsley. This community is beautiful. It's probably one of the most premier communities in Peoria. It has parks, but when we say parks, these aren't just basic parks. You're talking volleyball courts, tennis courts, dog parks, playgrounds, you name it. It is absolutely beautiful. And this is a gorgeous home in this amazing community. The home has been basically completely remodeled. Beautiful paint, beautiful flooring. The kitchen, chefs, you're gonna love this. It has a gorgeous island, and it's a custom island. We're talking not cheap, and it has a gas stove. Plus, there's a beautiful pool in the backyard. The owner has taken such beautiful care of this home, and it really reflects inside, but the backyard you will love. Okay, that's 9762 West Yukon in Peoria. Now, the final home is 6711 West Harwell. Now, this home is in Laveen. Talk about a cool property. This has got to be the premier lot in this community. Laveen Meadows, great community, lots of parks, just a wonderful community. Now, this home happens to sit on a cul-de-sac lot, and it's the interior corner, which means you have an 18,500 square foot lot on a cul-de-sac, perfect for, you name it, you know, everything. And then there's a park right there on the corner. So you get the safety and security of a cul-de-sac, you got the park on the corner, but you also have the biggest, nicest lot in the community. This is 6711 West Harwell. Now, these open houses are going to be going on Saturday from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Come on by. We're going to have snacks, refreshments, and it'll be a good time to just escape the heat. All right, hope to see you guys there. Oh, if you have any questions, my name's Josh, 602-821-7460. And yeah, see you then.